When you need to make sure your skills are ready for the real world, it helps to apply them in a practice environment, before mistakes really matter. And that's what projects are all about. With projects, you'll feel confident you can build functional code in a real-world scenario. First, see how to fork and clone a repository on GitHub. If you've never used Git or GitHub before, that's okay. You'll get clear steps on what you need to get started. Once you have the code on your computer, you'll have some tasks to complete in your editor of choice. When you've completed the tasks and pushed your changes to GitHub, Iris, our machine learning algorithm, checks your code for you. If you need help, don't worry. You'll get clear, adaptive feedback to help you along the way. For help on a specific task or to see how the author solved it, you can watch the answer video. When you're done, you'll have built a real-world application with functional code in a real-world scenario. Congratulations! Head over to Pluralsight and find a project you want to try.